once again, we're trying another spot out here in Tennessee. This spot we're trying out today is called Buddy's Barbecue. So this is the meal I got today. You got your hush puppies. You got a dry rub chicken, some string beans, fries, the drink, a lemon meringue pie, and all of that came out to about 21 bucks. See, they got it's the dry rub seasoning that's on the chicken right now, and the barbecue sauce. About to put that on the side. Let's see how that rock. Let's go. Let's get into this hush puppy first. Bam. That's my hush puppy. Nice and golden brown. You see they got little flakes in there of seasoning. Let's try it out. Okay. So it's not a sweet hush puppy. It's not a sweet hush puppy. It actually just tastes like fried dough. So it's not. There's no type of seasoning. And so it's neither sweet or seasoned. It's just dough. Doesn't it just tastes like fried bread, but not a flavorful bread. Like a plain white bread. That's what it tastes like. These fries, they probably a little sus too. Look like they put a sprinkle of salt in there, so. Hold on. Let me try another one. It's a little bit of salt on there. They taste like. Have you ever been to New York? In Brooklyn, we used to have this store called. We used to have this like chicken spot called Kennedy Fried Chicken. That's what it tastes like. If it was in a Kennedy Fried Chicken, like closer towards Manhattan or in Manhattan, you know it was different from Kennedy Fried Chicken in Brooklyn, like over near like the Style, East New York, in that area. You know their fries used to be alright compared to those fries. It could be the same restaurant, but the fries, they were seasoned differently. The closer you get to Manhattan, in that area, the weaker their fries was. I'm not talking about Harlem. I'm talking about Manhattan. So, you know, Harlem was different. It was just like Brooklyn, basically, when it came to their fries. It was, you know, nice and seasoned. These are this little light seasoning on it. Nothing special. So, let's get into this chicken. So, this chicken's supposed to be a dry rub. You can see the little flakes of seasoning on it. It's supposed to be a dry rub. Let's see what this is about. This light that's behind me. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let me try it again. All right. The dry rub is pretty good. I'm not gonna hold you. It is nice and seasoned, but it's not seasoned like your mama seasoned it. It's seasoned more like, that aunt that you had, that she's cool to be around, she's fun to be around, but when it comes down to the cooking, it's either hit or miss. She knows how to season it, but she don't know how to season it. So she knows what to put in it, but she don't know how to rub it around correctly. But yeah, it's kind of like that. So the skin of the chicken is nice and seasoned, but the inside is bland as hell. It's like, yeah. So if they would have took that same seasoning, peel the skin back a little bit, rub it all inside, let it marinate, you'd have had a bussin' chicken right now. But nope. Nope. It's good, don't get me wrong. The rub is good. It's nice and tasty. It has a smoky taste to it as well. It's just they dropped the ball because they didn't put it on the meat itself. It's more so just on the skin. So if that skin fall off the chicken, guess what? You back to Bland City. Yeah. You back to Bland City. Alright. I know I'm gonna regret this one because I got some string beans, but it was nothing else I could order. Like everything else was just like, and I was trying to find something. I definitely wasn't doing that coleslaw because the area we in right now, I don't think that coleslaw would have been a good choice. You know what I mean? So these are string beans, and they're cold. They are super cold. It's like they just took them out the can and just poured them in here. Yeah. Well, I mean, hold on. Now this is a good bean. It could taste that they put a little bit of, probably like some vinegar in there. I don't know. But it's alright. It's a string bean. Let's get back to this chicken though. So, we're gonna try this chicken with a little bit of barbecue sauce on it. So this is their famous barbecue sauce right here. Let's see what it's hitting on. Somehow for the homies. And they're all over. Bam. Let's see what it's like. Let's see. Oh. There's vinegar in that too. They put way too much vinegar. It's like it doesn't even taste like barbecue. It tastes like just vinegar with a splash of hot sauce, but it's that cheap hot sauce. There's no sweetness, no nothing. It is weak. Everything in here is weak. What's going on, man? Maybe they got a different barbecue sauce somewhere. Because this can't be their famous barbecue sauce. So their barbecue sauce tastes more like a watered down ketchup mixed with vinegar, ketchup, and a little bit of hot sauce. That's not barbecue sauce, dude. Oh, let's put this on these string beans. It might work better with the string beans because string beans already got like vinegar taste in it. Nope, still trash. Let's get into this lemon pie. So it's like a fake lemon meringue pie, but it might be good. Let's try it out. Let's get a nice big scoop. And lemon meringue pie is my favorite. So I know this isn't lemon meringue. It's like a lemon pudding kind of thing. Let's see what it's like. Try it again. Okay. That's not bad at all. So it's more of, instead of being like a custard, even though it looks like a custard, it's more of like an icy. Like one of them slushy ices with cream in it though. So let's call it a lemon ice cream. That's what it tastes like. Like the texture is more of an ice cream kind of thing instead of a custard. I like that. I like that. That's pretty good. So I would have been satisfied with this, the chicken, and the drink. All the other, like the sides, basura. All right, that's that. Now I wonder if that was just my fault, because I did go into a place that do have a mascot of a pig on it, so I'm pretty sure that they specialize in pork. And unfortunately, I don't eat pork, so I didn't get anything that had pork in it. I got the chicken. So maybe that was my fault, but that's where we went right there.